Hello, everyone, and thank you for being here today. I'd like to start with the story about Sarah, a new mom like many parents they can relate it themselves to. Sarah is a new mom navigating the holiday season. She wants to care for her baby in the best way, but she's facing challenges almost every parent experience. Here's Sarah. She's sitting in front of a growing pile of baby items, feeling overwhelmed, especially during an already stressful holiday time. She is surrounded by piles of outgrown clothes and baby change size every few months. And these stacks pile up quickly. Many items barely wore, but they're not completely usable. And the holiday season puts extra pressure on her budget. Buying a whole new wardrobe again feels harder to justify. So, but baby, don't wait. Her child just hit a growth spurt and suddenly needs 6 months clothes immediately. Where can she turn to? So Sarah asked the question many parents also ask. Where can I find something fast, affordable, reliable, and sustainable at once? Of course, there are a lot of market options like Facebook Marketplace, but platforms like Facebook Marketplace are cluttered, unreliable, and very time consuming. And we also have another option donation. Donation feel meaningful, but parents get no value back and really know where the clothes go. And another option is retail. Retail stores are convenient but expensive, and babies outgrow clothes quickly. So here you can see there is a huge market gap, the market gap for baby clothes.
So that is why we are here. Tiny Threads, a marketplace for pre-loved baby products. And we are here to give Sarah a perfect solution for her problem. Our product focuses mostly on kids' products. And every product that you see on our marketplace is relevant to your child. Unlike many other marketplaces that exist, where you might see your product being invisible and is along with products like mattresses, chairs, for that matter, even some tar. Um, but we only focus on your child's products and getting smiles on your child's face.
On TinyThreads, everything is designed to feel obvious. You see only baby-related items, sizes are clearly organized, and actions like browsing or listing or even adding a listing don't require extra steps. There's no clutter, no irrelevant options, and no guesswork. The interface stays out of your way and lets you do what you came to do quickly and confidently. And we are also customer centric and trust based. The second pillar is obviously trust, because when it comes to children, trust matters more than price. Parents told us they worry about hygiene, safety, and meeting strangers. So we designed threads around those concerns from the very start. Listings clearly communicate condition and hygiene expectations. High risk or unsafe items are intentionally excluded, and exchanges are designed to feel safe, local, and parent to parent, non anonymous. Instead of forcing parents to hope for the best, the platform actively supports safer decisions at every step. So let's see what Sarah would do when they want to sell something on Tiny Threads. Here is our user interface. We have search just on top if she wants to search for something. The first thing what Sarah wants to do is she wants to sell some of the clothes which her child has outgrown. So sh- she wants to add a listing. But wait, when you want to add a listing, we require you to sign in for the other parents to feel safe as well. So we can sign in using Google, and then we can use the Sarah Thomas Gmail account. And then here we are. This is our page. Um, that there's the whole home button. We have a verify account as well. We have profile, my listings, my purchases. We haven't made any purchases yet. Um, and we can go to profile. We can change um, what we stand about, where's the location, and we can verify our account as well. But for now, what I'll do is I'll add a listing. Let's say I want to add 3 month, 3 year old baby clothes. Select category clothing, select size newborn, 3 months, age range 0 to 6 months. Sarah is living in New York, and my condition is new because she had an outgrowth. I want to mark this as donation because I don't want any money out of it. Um, oh wait, I do need money. I'll put $20, and then I can add clothes for 3 more, and then I'll upload what some of the files. There you go. I'll put one clothes or one photo, and then I'll click on add listing. And if I go to my listings, that's where I can see my own listing and it's available right now. And if I go inside, I can see all the options. So that was one thing. That was the first thing, selling on TinyThreads. It's super easy, super efficient, super simple. The next thing is if you want to buy on TinyThreads, let's say let's say we want to buy baby books for my child. Where would we find it? We can just search it over here. Books. Okay, I see this book. I see this lot of books. It looks very good to me. If I go inside, um, I can just click on buy now and I can click it. Oh wait, I see there's a green button over here. It means that the seller is authorized. It's verified and I can trust that seller. So I will buy it now and I'll confirm the purchase and then done. That's it. Now, if I go to my purchases, I can see that I purchased it. Now, if I want to like click contact the seller, I'll click on it and then it'll take me to a mailing address where I can contact the seller. So that's there. I think even purchasing an item is very easy as well in TinyThreads. Um, what if I want to see the listings which are near me? I'll go to distance closest first. And then I can see that there are a lot of toys which are near me, and okay, but I'll look on that later. So that's demo part two, and then demo part three.
Yes, your safety is very much our concern. When Sarah is purchasing something, we want to make sure that she gets best products out there and is away from all the spams that exist or any creeps that exist. So we focus on verifying the account for safety as well as say Sarah as in the previous demo while selling the product or purchasing the product we saw that we have a seller information and a check mark beside it which says that this particular person is verified. So when Sarah purchases things she knows that the product is verified. In addition to that, suppose Sarah is purchasing a product, she purchased a product and then somehow, let me just purchase this, for some reason she found that this listing wasn't true or like they checked if they tried to contact the person, but then the email ID does not exist, or like the product itself is not true, then they can definitely report. And we have made sure the report, unlike other applications, the report button is right in front of you. It's not hidden. It is available for the customers, for Sarah to see right there. Once we click on it, we have various drop down options available. We can say spam, and then Sarah can provide the details. The seller didn't respond. Yes, spam. So I can submit the report. Once we submit this, an email will be sent to both Sarah, notifying that they are they have reported a particular product or particular seller. Another email will be sent to TinyThreads um, in an email box. So that saying that we will this is the product that was this was the seller that was reported, and a particular listing will be made in a particular document will be inserted in our MongoDB collection. So this is one way that we are ensuring that the product is the seller is genuine. Another way that we have is another security feature that we have is to verify account. When we go to verify account, we can say that we can make sure the identity of the particular seller is genuine. So if we go to start verification, it asks for agree or disagree. Now Sarah has an option. Sarah can scan this QR. Okay, scanning is being done. We are, it asks for an ID card, the front of an ID card and back of the ID card. An image is submitted. Once that's done, it is waiting for the redirect. It takes some time. Let's wait for a while. Okay, it's taking longer than usual, but I'm sure we'll be there. Great. It's successful now, and Sarah is now verified. And if you see the profile, it says verified. And now on, if Sarah makes any listings, she would also have a green check beside her name in the seller information part. That's pretty much it with respect to the um, security features that we have in our application. Our future roadmap. We envision to make this application a community-centric application where every mother or every parent that is out there sees our comes to our website, and they have something for them. They can talk to other mothers who are who have recently given birth to their given birth, or parents who have been taking care of their 1 or 2 years old child, or like say they can give tips. So we want it to be community oriented. We also look forward to having reviews in our website for every seller, so that we also prove the authenticity of the seller using reviews. And we also have quality inspections in mind. Quality inspections in the sense making sure the image is not blurry, verify it against the existing product. Is it baby? If they're saying it is a baby toy, is it really a baby toy? We can use AI in this particular field. There's a lot of new things, that exciting things that we are looking forward to, and making this product as good as possible. So please watch out for it. And with respect to AI usage, we have used AI quite extensively here for our front end code. Almost 70 to 80% of our code is AI generated or vibe coded. With respect to third-party integrations like creating Mongo DB users account, creating schema, architecture, S3, all of that, we did ourselves. Very limited AI usage there, almost only 10%. And when it comes to backend code, we have used it like almost 50%. We've also used AI for writing our tests. That again is almost like 70 to 80% of our tests are written by AI. Of course, we oversaw what was written, but that was the use case, that the usage that we had. With respect to our approach, we believe we've used task splitting. What we did is we collated all the details of what we want the AI to do and gave this detail to an agent asking to generate a prompt, especially using Copilot plan mode, where we said, hey, these are the things that we want to do, and can you divide this task into subtasks? So first, our goal was doing task division. uh, that was the approach that we went with. And once task division is done, we made sure that we change the mode to agent mode and sequentially execute each individual subtask within those tasks, and made sure that context is provided individually to each of these subtasks. So this is how we achieved best results, and this was the approach that we've used for our coding. That's pretty much it for this presentation.
Okay, now to
For
close, Tiny Threads
Mhm.
is about more than buying and selling baby clothes. It's about helping parents navigate a stage of life that's already busy, emotional, and overwhelming. By focusing on simplicity, trust, and community, we aim to make secondhand feel natural, not risky, not unsafe or inconvenient. Tiny Threads is built to support parents, reduce waste, and give children's items a second life in a way that feels safe, thoughtful, and human. Thank you.